In our 2 visits to the medical camps conducted by Voice Trust, one in Cellur, where the setup lacked proper organization space as it was constricted to a small enclosure. The other one at Narimedu, while being open, still lacked proper circulation and privacy, which makes the patient uncomfortable as well as compromising the medical care provided. A miniature model was done to understand more about how the movements would take place and to get an idea on how practical the structure would be. In the end, this helped us to understand the intricacies while execution and solve the issues we faced there. Rather than having a simple cuboidal structure, a origami-shaped one gives a sense of interest to the passerby, which may increase the footfall in camp. The preliminary idea was to use origami for its ease of collapsibility while being aesthetically appealing. This being a V-shaped component helps to easily fold it, essential for it to be transportable and have the base wings larger than the top helps in transferring the load effectively.